talk about that one. Oh, for booger's sake. Oh man, 6 minutes before 12 o'clock. Time is ticking, man, like a bomb at 8 o'clock. I'm trying to sleep. Can't. It's too hot. It's too hot in here. Ja, was ist denn jetzt? Technische Probleme oder so.
Hello all.
Ja, passt schon wieder. Machen wir nicht so einen Krach jetzt hier. Ich versuche hier noch zu schlafen. Das machen wir jetzt schnell. The second account, better say, my fifth account. From a lot of accounts I normally have. I'll be right back, need a cough or something. Did I already say actually that my underwear is wet like hell? I didn't know that, I just peed myself. I cracked myself, so I don't really do not know what's going on here, you know what I'm saying? Ah, for crack's sake, what's wrong with that microphone? Yeah. And I told you, get away from my cigarettes! What's just happening there? A bunch of freak asses or something in the back. Yes. Oh, ja, tipp mal drauf, was ist das für eine Ballermusik hier, ey? Ist mir echt zu laut hier. My tiny farm. Why not little farm? But don't find it, so it's tiny farm, but I'm not sure. Tiny pixel farm. Süße Ranch. Little farm story. Tiny cow. Pocket land. Granny simulator life. Boing boing. Animals. Oh my god. Nintendo ever after fall Switch. She falling the Switch? Or was it falling into the Switch? Family Farm Adventure. Oh, I do not know, what should I pick? Barbie's Gymnastic Room. Ken's Beauty Salon. What? Stretched wide. Okay, no, I don't want to tell what's going on in here. Just kidding. This is never what's coming up in here. I hate that. Stop doing. Why is everything actually with the digitals? This is a stick there. Oh yeah. What's going on in here? Dang crack. They really smoke crack. Oh my god, I just want to stay there. Oh, what? Take this over with. Make it fast. With all love, Dad, Grandpa, and Grandma.
So here we are.
Oh, she's not the grandmother.
I almost couldn't handle my angst and embarrassing the letter.
Yeah, blah, 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 here. Whoa. Yeah, money.
Now am I hanging myself?
What? Who put the... Let's have a stretch. Okay, they're randomized. That's why just a randomize up in here, because last time I just did that actually kind of, you know, from here to there, and then this one, you know. So these are randomized. Oh, we already have 500 buggies. Alright, let's see what the shop says. The vegetable shop.
That was so exciting. Let's check what the manual says.
Oh my god. Exactly, nothing. First place, I think it doesn't matter. Hold on, I just need... I'm an idiot. You don't have to press all the time these X button there. That's so weird. What is this? Is that water or is that some gobblegoo? I can gobblegoo. It's a ooze. Some from the reflecting pool. The Trump, that's blue. That is blue. Not green. You gentle monster. Ah! The shit I had to be full. Here we go. Holy shit, I slipped! Yeah, finally the end of the great first day of work.
As the dark came, we need to rest.
Yeah, then R.I.P.
At Mighty Night they say use all the energy accumulated.
Huh? Good night, little farm responded. Go away! Leave us alone! You weird human! Ooh, shower!
Yum 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 yum, crystal bath water.
Some golden things in the earth. Like gold bars or something actually in the earth, and you pick it up actually, and then you have soak them with crystal meth water or something. Normally we can fish, right? No, we don't can. We have to buy them, but I don't want to buy. Up with that loud. Kom weer dat I'm so tired. I slipped. Crystal bath water again. Crystal bath water. Oh my gosh. I hate digital stick to use for such things like that. It's actually already a scaly and everywhere. Don't know what kind of day we have. Oh, here we go, day 3. Red room. First customer. Hello, I hear you're a farmer. Do you have any cancer? That's the rag. I can see you're not used to do this. Wow, what happened? Whoa.
Calm down, man. It's your first customer. Take it easy. Oh, yeah, but there's a good reason for this.
Oh mein Gott, kann bitte so ein Sparen jetzt oder so eine Scheiße.
Maybe I could catch this old mother freak.
Turnip discovered. What is this turnip? It's twisted? Has it nipples? Why does it get called turnip? Oh, I'm searching for some vegetables. Oh, not again, you soul man. Alright, let's do something here. Get to the freak shop. Sweet. There's one a couple of times. Where are you going? Damn. Looks like you're running out of money. Going in here? Not really, but I just do. I think I'm going crazy. So, 5 times, 8 times, 13 times. 13 times. Hold on, what 30 times the nibby? The nibby. Oh, my brain froze. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Yeah. What just happened? From 9 to 12, 13, like. Can you buy something? Oh yeah, onion. The weird stuff is like. Oh, we have to hurry up, I think. The day's gone down. Since when actually onion, leaf, or something else can be harvested the same day and grow up like same days to each other similarly? That's weird. Oh well then. Even the game didn't actually figure it out. How to come on. Couldn't actually figure it out how to actually plant and harvest it. Realitätsnah oder so. What's up with these farts in here? I just get over. Must be something. Let's crack. Oh, that music, man, is like actually, oh, come on, get into your bedroom. It's no joke, man. What did you done the rest of the day? Playing trampoline on the vegetables or something? Yeah, holy crap, what was these all, man? Is there some actually a tall plant near a while? Oh crap, man. No weed in the leafy business. Here we go. You plant weed? Probably should, right? Just for fun, because. Alright. The $100 billion man. Come on. 17 man, 3 is missing. You boogers. What you doing with us?
It's so peaceful out here. The music makes me calm. Ah, my toe! My forsake toe! Rage is rising.
Rise.
Play that music!
Crazy. 10 hours later. Cranny on the e-guitar.
I hate your eye! Take that farm!
And there's always a movie running in my brain. I can't get that away.
That's exactly what I need in my stretch. I'm sorry, my mother always liked to say, up my nose.
What is that?
I'm glad to help. Are you buying it for your mother?
I can't do stuff like that. I just always laughing at Craig.
Anyway.
Yeah, go hell.
Go hell, bring hell, go hell.
Super, jetzt haben wir wieder gekostet, oder? Passt schon. It's important that actually, you know, bumpers coming by and actually peeing on my stuff. Maybe they get golden as well.
Having a little time for something. Sir, what you doing there? Yeehaw! Corny stuff. Oh,
Yeah, what the hell? I want to sell something. It's getting night.
you immediately interrupted.
Oh, I sold everything, right? We don't can make missions anymore.
That sounds good.
What happened if I'm pressing actually on them? Not getting faster, right? Nah, yeah, just stay. It's this 100% stuff.
Oh, thanks. He said, no, I don't care.
Pump it up to the next day, pump it up to the next day. That not, yeah, bad. That's better. Close to say. Hey, what kind of day we have? I told you, for sake. Can we sell something? How? Are you kidding me? Ah, man, I thought actually that is the menu. Shop. This will be good. Nothing. Nothing.
2020 trade.
Still to plug? No joke. Oh, you can do it. Oh, it doesn't matter then. Oh, that's fucked up. Crazy, crazy crack. So, and there's plotting. I think, no, 10 days we need to reach. Slip. Slip. Day 8. Kinda easy. Oh man, I need to go to the toilet again. Hey, I was actually for 1 hour drinking these Coca-Cola from Amazon. These Coke Amazon or something. Amazon Coke. It doesn't matter. It was very cold, delicious. Farm station. Staycation. Oh, staycation, sorry. Oh man, what's missing? Let me guess. Come on guys, sorry for that one. I don't care, man. Oh man, it's a 90%. Bugger for that. Catch a fish. I can't believe that. What the mother in hell, I didn't watch myself.
Let's catch a fish. And a 3, and a 2, and a 1, and a 8.
Oh, sorry. Crack. Ah, my ears. Nice fish. It's a shrimp.
And we catch the plotting. Little farm, big BN. A big legend. I'm sorry, big BN.
If it's, you know, actually I'm not focused sometimes, you know, it's too hard. I have a dump to deal done actually. I feel unconscious already, or what happened? I just, this is, yeah.
Let's continue the fishing.
Alright, I'll be right back on GTA later on.